Hello everyone, I'm Serrano Peppers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most fabulous dips of all time, and that is guacamole. Guacamole is a Mexican cuisine dip that is also international. You can use it as a spread, dip, or salad. And believe me, once you try this, you absolutely will love it and cannot get enough of it. Perfect for lunch, brunch, and dinner. Great with tacos, especially the tacos that my mom made. It is amazing. Today we're going to make it with avocado, lime, salt, Serrano pepper, and yellow onion. No tomato and no garlic. Please do not add this to this recipe. So, I'm going to show it to you, and let's do it. Shall we? Alright, after that cringiest introduction, let's start off by grabbing a handful of freshly picked cilantro, have them all finely chopped, and dump them in a large bowl. Grab 1/3 of an onion and have a third diced into small pieces. Now dump it all in the bowl. Now don't be afraid to mix it with the cilantro. We're basically going to mix the whole ingredients all together eventually. Now I'm using yellow onion. White onion is a good option, but the flavor is way too intense for the guacamole and we don't want to overpower it. Yellow onion is a bit more of a balance between sweet and spicy, and it works perfectly. Alright, now for the hot spot. Grab 2 Serrano peppers and have them chopped to thin slices, like insanely thin, and put that all in a bowl. Now if you're someone who prefer a bit more of a mild spicy than a little bit more of an intense spice, then you could either use a jalapeno pepper or you could do a trick what I did here. Slice the pepper into 2, grab a spoon, and remove the core and the seeds off the pepper, because that's where all the heat is heavily concentrated at. Thinly slice the pepper into thin slices and throw that into the bowl. Now grab 2 limes, fresh and ripe, cut them in half and get ready to have them squeezed. That sounds so weird. Now I got this brand new fancy looking lemon squeezer, and let me tell ya, it works fantastic. Now this lemon squeezer should squeeze more of the juice off the lemon than your typical lemon squeezer, and I gotta say, it works perfectly. Kinda. Alright, we got the lime, we got the onion, cilantro, the pepper. All we need is the avocado. Now when you pick the avocado, make sure they're nice and ripe. Give them a squeeze until they get all soft. Or just pick the core. And if it's green, inside from the core, then that means it's perfect. Grab your avocado, spin them. The one that spins the most is always the best. Alright, so now we're just gonna get this guy split. Right like this. And then there you go. Oh, there we go. Nice looking avocado. Now here's the little thing. Grab your knife by the edge. Smack it with the seed. Twist and remove the core. There. The avocado. Give them a little slice. When we're making guacamole, we don't want to have a nice, big, thick slice. I mean, we want them big slices, but not too big. Something bite-sized, I guess. But we don't want them too small either. Grab your spoon and dump all that nice, beautiful avocado into the bowl. And there you have it. Now let's do the rest, shall we? I probably should have mentioned this earlier, but you need to have 4 ripe avocados, preferably Hass avocados. Now pour in half of 1 tablespoon of Kosher Salt and your lime juice and stir to combine. But make sure not to over whisk it, because you don't want to have green, lumpy guacamole. That's just ew. You don't want a store-bought style. And there you have it, folks. That is your $1 million guacamole. Now either you could chill in the fridge and serve later, or eat it right now. Either way, you will be happy with the results. It is absolutely delicious. It can be served as a snack, brunch. It could be as a sauce. You will be amazed. how well this guacamole can serve with almost anything. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up or leave the comments down below and tell me what you think, or if you have any questions at all, or if you would like to make a request. I really enjoyed making this video, and I hope I'll see you soon. Later.